Once upon a time, the drought-hit animal kingdom offered no solution to the mounting problems. Those who were able to move into the nearby villages managed to eat and drink something for their survival. However, rats found it extremely difficult to get any food. As a result, they grew lean day by day. Particularly, one rat became so thin that he was immediately nicknamed the Needle Rat. The Needle Rat could not bear the remarks he heard from others. It was true that he was as thin as a needle, but others should not have made him a laughing-stock, he thought. In the meantime, the Needle Rat tried hard to get out of the animal kingdom and find some food to eat. One day, when a villager was passing through the animal kingdom carrying a bag, the Needle Rat got a fine idea. He followed the villager for some time and hid himself in his bag. After some time, the Needle Rat found himself in a rich villager's house. The Needle Rat jumped out of the bag and ran into the storeroom. Nobody, not even the cat, noticed that a rat had gone into the storeroom. From then onwards, the Needle Rat fed on many kinds of rich food and became fat. The rat did not go out of the room but kept on eating. As a result, he grew so fat that lean rats in the house called him the Fat Rat. The lean rats worshipped the fat rat as if he were their king. The fat rat was so happy that he started eating more food and became fatter. One day the lean rats paid a surprise visit to the fat rat. They had a genuine grievance. "Sir, allow us to share the storeroom. We have nothing to eat, and we might die very soon if you don't allow us to come in," said the lean rats. The fat rat gave them a piece of cheese and asked them to come again on the following day. Thereafter, the lean rats came to see him every day, and he gave them a piece of cheese to please them. The piece of cheese doled out to the lean rats became smaller every day. The lean rats protested, saying that they were being given a raw deal. The fat rat ignored their pleas and refused to give them any cheese. The lean rats grew so angry that they attacked the fat rat mercilessly. "My God, save me from the lean rats," said the fat rat, running away from the house. Soon he was back in the animal kingdom. Thank you for your time. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel.